All right, so I just found a very diabolical side hustle. This is going to blow your mind. So watch this. So imagine you go on Gigi. Gigi is actually a marketplace right here in Nigeria, but I don't know how many African countries they are actually available in. So you can check out any other marketplace in your own location. Now you come over to Gigi just like this, and let's say you search for house to let or house for rent, or let's just search for house for sale, because I think selling will be much more better than renting. Click on category. Just you can see house and apartment for sale, house and apartment for rent. Let's go for house and apartment for sale. Now these are some house and apartment for sale on Gigi in my location. It might be your location, it might not be your location. Please, you're not selling houses or apartments, so stop being scared. Okay, because I know some of you will say, Solomon, are we going to be selling houses? You're not selling any house. Stop being scared. Now you have two options. The first option, you can choose to contact the seller of the house. The second option, you can choose not to contact them. You can actually contact them and negotiate with them, but we can talk about that part later. Okay, so you have to keep watching. So what I need to do, let me just scroll. Let's say I like this house, for example. I can just come down here. You can see how beautiful this particular apartment is. Some of the images right here of this apartment, right? Or let's look for another one, this other one right here. Let me click on it. You can see how beautiful this is. Now, do you know what I can do is for me to download these images? So I can just download these images, or I take screenshots of the images if they will not allow me to download them, because I don't think Gigi allows you to download their images right here. So let me just take screenshots of the images. Let me come here, take a screenshot of this one, come here, I take a screenshot of this apartment. Let's screenshot this one too. All right, I'm also going to come here and screenshot this other one right here. I think that's it. So I'm going to save this because we are going to need it later. Now that I have the screenshot, what am I going to do? I'm going to go over to ChatGPT, paste the screenshot inside, ask it to write a prompt for me for a tour video. Okay, for a tour video. Now we are not selling apartment, right? This side hustle is so diabolic that I know that you don't know about it. That's why I'm sharing this with you guys today. Okay, before I forget, do also like, share, subscribe if you want to, if you think you're getting any value from the video, or you're getting any value from the channel, and comment where you're watching from. Right, thank you very much. What you have to know is that all apartments that comes like this always have their details. Like this one, now this one have the details. This one, they say detach this off a car road, no do blah blah blah, 600 property, 600 size, fairly used, this is 5-bedroom. So these are the details of the apartment that this guy is selling, right? So I'm going to screenshot all the whole details right here. So let me just screenshot the details, because we need to take everything into ChatGPT. We are going to need it later. Let's go over to ChatGPT and work the magic. Okay, now we're going to come over to ChatGPT. I already have a mountain cabin profile I created, right? But I think we should do something new. Now, if you want to do something new, I'm just going to come to my master prompt. There's a place I get my master prompt inside ChatGPT. Every time I make videos like this, I keep telling you guys, if you want this thing, let me know in the comment section, or message me in my DM, or join my community. Then I'm going to drop the master prompt for you. Now you need to come down here and get a master prompt. So what I'm going to do right here is that I'm going to give ChatGPT this particular prompt right here, as you can see, and let me paste this prompt, and it's going to write me a master prompt. Once it writes me a master prompt, you can see your optimized prompt. You are a professional real estate videographer, luxury property presenter, blah 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 blah. You can see how long this prompt is right here. I mean, this is so long. I'm fine now. Instructions: your goal is to make every apartment look premium. I'm going to come here and copy this right here. Then I'm going to open a new chart inside ChatGPT and paste this right here. Let's edit the prompt anywhere that we want to. Your optimized prompt. Let me remove this part right here. Okay, so let me click on enter, and this page is going to be set so that anytime we upload an apartment image and the details, it's going to give us a dialogue, number one, and it's also going to write the script for us for the dialogue, and it's also going to write prompt for the video, as you can see right here. So now I'm going to come here and upload those images. Once I click on enter, let's see what we are going to get from this. All right, let's see if we're going to get anything good. Or this is my first time trying this. I just found out this side hustle recently, and some of you will be asking, Solomon, what in God's name are you doing? This is not Facebook monetization. So how are we really going to make this money? Pay close attention. All right, guys, so after some tweaking, this is what I got. This is the prompt I got. You can see the dialogue, you can see the voice description, the AI video generation prompt. This is what I got. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy everything, right? So let's copy everything. Now, once you copy everything, we're going to take it into Google Flow for us to generate the video that we want to use. Go and search for flow.google.com or Google Flow on Google, and you're going to see Google Flow. And then just go ahead and sign up your account. I already have my account, so you can go ahead and sign up your account. Daily bonus, enjoy 50 extra credit on us until August 31st. So now Google Flow is giving free credit, 50 free credit every single day till August 31st. This is a good thing, right? You can utilize this before August 31st is over. Today is August 4th or August 5th or something. So let me click on new project. You can see it's under video. Look at the bottom right here. You're going to see that it's under video, and the video right here is 10 seconds. So let me click on that. So right here we have video. You can see ingredients 9:16. We have 10-second video. We can give one output or two output right here. So let's go for two different outputs. Mini flash, that's what we are using right here. So that's it. So now I'm going to come here and click on this plus icon. I'm going to come here and click on this upload icon right here. So I'm going to upload all the photos we got. Everything is okay. Let me just come here and paste in the prompt we got from ChatGPT. So let's just click on enter. Now our video is being generated. Remember, thank you Google, because we got free credit for Google Flow. So free 50 credit. So let's use this wisely. Let's see how these two videos are going to look like, right? Let's just see how they will look like. We are not sure yet, but if they look good, that would be perfectly amazing, right? Our two videos are done. I have to download the both of them before we're going to watch them to see if they are okay or they are not okay. So let's go over to gallery and let's watch these two videos.
Welcome to this 5-bedroom detached bungalow. It features a bright living area. Enjoy comfortable ensuite bedrooms. Check the pinned comment for details.
All right, so this is the first one right here, and let's see the second one.
Welcome to this beautifully maintained bungalow located off Aka Road in Uyo. This home offers spacious ensuite bedrooms and a bright, enjoy quality interior finishes throughout.
Second one is better than the first one, or the first one is better than the second one. Anyone. So this particular one right here.
Beautifully maintained bungalow located off Aka Road in Uyo. This home offers spacious ensuite bedrooms and a bright, enjoy quality interior.
So you can see that this one is distorted. So let's check this other one. This other one right here is much more better.
Welcome to this 5-bedroom detached bungalow. It features a bright living area. Enjoy comfortable ensuite bedrooms. Check the pinned comment for details.
Now this one is perfect for this. All right, so if I'm being honest, for some people you can actually stop here, right? You don't have to push forward. So the first step, you can decide to sell these particular videos to as many developers or as many house agents as possible. Look for different house agents, like 10 of them. Pitch your idea to them, pitch your videos to them. You can sell for like 3 or 4. You understand? If you sell it for like 3,000 or for 4,000 or for 5,000, you've actually made some money. You can stop there. Nobody will judge you. The second method, you can decide to carry this video, polish it a little bit inside InShot, then you post it on your Facebook page, right? Create a Facebook page, not your Facebook profile. So once you create the page, you carry these particular videos, you start posting it there. Now it's going to take time, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months for your page to grow or for your page to start growing. Then once you grow to some certain extent, you can monetize your page and you make money from that. Now you can see that particular guy's page, he has 2.4 million followers, and this is just all what he's posting on his page for 2.4 million followers. You can also accomplish that. It's very, very possible, and I believe it's something you can do. Just post it there, monetize your page, make money from content monetization, make money from bonuses, from your stories on Facebook. That is fine, but these are not the methods of making money that I was talking about. The third method, which is the most important method, is what I want to share with you, and unfortunately I cannot post that on YouTube. Yes, because if I post it, YouTube might remove the video. Go and follow me on my Selim account. You have to do 3 things. Follow me. Number one, turn on the notification on Selim. Number two, just click on the subscribe button right there to support my effort, right? Subscribe to my channel on Selim. It's just 2,000 naira, so they can access all my content and more content coming. I've created a lot of tutorials over there. On my Selim account, I'm going to drop the thought method. I have already created the video. I've already created everything. I've posted there. So just go over there and check that particular video out. You're going to see step by step the thought method, how you can use this particular method, right? This particular side hustle. AI will do all the work for you guys. AI will do all the work for you. I can drop the link to the full video below, right? Or the thought method below, so they can go check it out, right? So you can actually go there, check it out, and support the effort, guys. I really appreciate you. I'm being very, very sincere right now.